Algorand value equivalent to 519,694 rands a coin. The present cost range 560,536,709. The earlier day close 590,337. The change was plus 357 plus 0.60%. Converse rate ZAR to Algo. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 931 rands. Exorbitant cost 1156, while low cost 931. They found the middle value of cost 1025. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1080, change for July 16%. Algorand figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 1080 rands. Excessive cost 1341, while low cost 1080. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1189. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1253, change for August 16%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 1253 rands. Excessive cost 1398, while low cost 1216. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1294. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 13.7, change for September 4.3%. Algorand conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 13.7 rands. Excessive cost 15.52, while low cost 13.7. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.4. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 14.50, change for October 10.9%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 14.50 rands. Excessive cost 14.50, while low cost 12.14. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.55. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 13.5, change for November 10%. Algorand conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 13.5 rands. Excessive cost 13.5, while low cost 10.39. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.92. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 11.17, change for December 14.4%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 11.17 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.14, while low cost 10.56. They found the middle value of cost 11.31. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 11.35, change for January 1.6%. Algorand estimate for February 2025. To start with, cost at 11.35 rands. Exorbitant cost 11.35, while low cost 9.33. They found the middle value of cost 10.52. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 10.03, change for February 11.6%. Algorand cost expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 10.03 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.90, while low cost 9.48. They found the middle value of cost 10.15. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 10.19, change for spring 1.6%. Algorand gauge for April 2025. In the first place, cost at 10.19 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.19, while low cost 8.53. They found the middle value of cost 9.52. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 9.17, change for April 10%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at 9.17 rands. Excessive cost 10.45, while low cost 9.09. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.62. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.77, change for May 6.5%. Algorand estimate for June 2025. To start with, cost at 9.77 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.12, while low cost 9.77. They found the middle value of cost 10.75. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 11.33, change for June 16%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 11.33 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.32, while low cost 10.70. They found the middle value of cost 11.47. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 11.51, change for July 1.6%. Algorand estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 11.51 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.51, while low cost 10.87. They found the middle value of cost 11.65. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 11.69, change for August 1.6%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 11.69 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.84, while low cost 11.16. They found the middle value of cost 11.92. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 12 and change for September 27%. Algorand gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 12,000 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.89, while low cost 12,000. They found the middle value of cost 13.20. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 13.92, change for October 16%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 13.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.92, while low cost 11.44. They found the middle value of cost 12.90. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 12.30, change for November 11.6%. Algorand gauge for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 12.30 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.34, while low cost 12.30. They found the middle value of cost 13.9. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 13.40, change for December 8.9%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 13.40 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.56, while low cost 12.66. They found the middle value of cost 13.56. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 13.61, change for January 1.6%. Algorand gauge for February 2026. To start with, cost at 13.61 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.80, while low cost 12.86. They found the middle value of cost 13.78. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 13.83, change for February 1.6%. Algorand cost expectation for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at 13.83 rands. Excessive cost 15.3, while low cost 13.7. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14s and Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 14.5, change for spring 1.6%. Algorand figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 14.5 rands. Excessive cost 15.12, while low cost 13.14. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.11. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 14.13, change for April's at 6%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset, cost at 14.13 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.13, while low cost 12.16. They found the middle value of cost 13.38. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 13.8, change for May 7.4%. Algorand estimate for June 2026. To start with, cost at 13.8 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.22, while low cost 12.36. They found the middle value of cost 13.94. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 13.29, change for June 1.6%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2026. To start with, cost at 13.29 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.89, while low cost 11.18. They found the middle value of cost 12.45. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 12.02, change for July 9.6%.